Hey guys, I'm going to give you the best 4 tips I can give you to growing massive cucumbers all season long. So let's go. The first tip I'm going to give you is trellising your vine. That's right, like I have done here using some spare parts left over from a rack I disassembled on a job 6 years ago. Make sure you trellis your vines. They want to grow up things. So make sure you trellis your cucumber vines. You want to start trellising them as soon as you can. Usually 2-foot long vines is about a good place to start. Make sure you trellis your vines. Number two, that's right, folks, is a big one. That's right, you want to fertilize. Fertilize every 2 weeks. I prefer to use this right here, organic natural tomato and vegetable food. I will put that down every 2 weeks, also using a fish fertilizer with Epsom salt and molasses every 2 weeks. That way it gets all of its nutrients, all of its nitrogen, and continues to grow happy and healthy. Remember though, phosphorus and potassium are absolutely needed for large vegetable growth. Number three has to do exactly with the cucumber itself. This is a ripe cucumber and should be picked. Do not let your cucumber start to yellow. When your cucumbers start to yellow, it sends a signal to your plant saying, all right, I've spread the seed and now I can die. Yep, that's right. Your plant has an internal timer. All it wants to do is spread its seed, and once it's done that, it can die. We do not want it to die. So if you're picking your cucumbers before they yellow, your plant does not receive the signal to go off and die. That's right. So there's the top 3, and the biggest one is this. Number 4, make sure you're ready to plant 2 or 3 cucumbers for the growing season. Cucumbers do not want to grow the whole growing season alone. Nope. You should be starting one every 2 months. That's right. If you start a cucumber bush every 2 months, you will guarantee yourself, with the proper fertilization and growing techniques like I've shared, a healthy, wonderful harvest all growing season long. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to be making sure we give better tips and tricks to growing, because we love it and we love to share the tips and tricks to growing a healthy, beautiful, vibrant garden that feeds your family.